What numbers should every technician know? Every technician should know the standard household voltage, which is 120 volts for regular outlets and 240 volts for larger appliances, along with normal water heater temperature settings around 120 degrees and the ideal refrigerant pressure ranges for cooling systems, since these numbers form the baseline for diagnosing almost any home problem safely and correctly. Think of these numbers like a secret language that helps a technician understand what a house is trying to tell them. For example, most homes in the United States run on 120 volts for lamps, phones, and small appliances, but bigger things like dryers, ovens, and air conditioners need 240 volts to work properly. A water heater set above 120 degrees might seem like a good idea for hot showers, but it actually raises the risk of burns and wastes energy, so professionals usually recommend staying right around that number. When it comes to cooling systems, technicians look at refrigerant pressure, which changes based on the outside temperature. And a common trick many people do not know is that pressure readings can help spot a refrigerant leak long before the house ever feels warm inside. Knowing these numbers by heart means a technician can catch small problems early, before they turn into expensive repairs. One common mistake is assuming higher voltage or pressure always means better performance, when in reality it usually means something is unsafe or broken. So the tip here is to always compare readings against the manufacturer's recommended range instead of guessing. Another misconception is that water heater temperature should be as hot as possible for cleanliness, but going too high wastes money and increases scald risk, so keeping it around 120 degrees is the safer and smarter choice. A third thing many homeowners overlook is that these numbers change slightly with the seasons, especially refrigerant pressure, so a good technician always checks current outdoor conditions before making a final diagnosis. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message them back with their estimates.